How to find $1 million products for Shopify. So today I am actually going to be covering how you can find $1 million products on Shopify. It's taken me a long time to figure out exactly how to make this formula work for me, because I've, just like you, been scrolling on Facebook and seen a video ad with 1 million views on it and thinking that I'm going to go ahead and replicate the exact same process. And 9 out of 10 times it really doesn't happen that way. And so what I had to come to the realization of, and many of my students came to the realization of, is that we have to go after products that haven't yet hit the market. And what I mean by the market is Facebook, okay? There's a lot of marketers and drop shippers using Facebook ads to market their products. And so what I've learned over time is that if I go and find a winning product that's not necessarily been ran on Facebook, and I'm the first one to bring it to the market, i.e. Facebook, then I'm gonna win all day long. So your job is to go on other platforms. This could be Amazon, this could be Alibaba, this could be AliExpress, this could be Wish.com, you know. Go and find products that you know you can market to the masses. That's number one. Go and find products that will give you a good profit margin, right? And then also find products that you can bundle with other products in order to boost your ROI further along down the road. But you have to go on these platforms and see that there's thousands of sales for these products, and more importantly, it's not on Facebook. And you have to go and do research and find your competitors. Are these competitors, do these competitors have this product in their store? And if not, it's fair game for you, okay? And so with that being said, that is really all it is. That's the secret to having $1 million product. Find products that the big marketers in your niche aren't marketing. That's number one. Number two, find products that are hot on other platforms like Amazon.com, Alibaba.com, AliExpress.com, Wish.com that haven't been marketed on Facebook. And once you build that funnel for that product, okay, using your Shopify store is going to help you to make, you know, that's the winning formula for $1 million product. And the last thing that I wanted to say, it has to be a mass appeal product. It has to be a product that the masses will, you know, they'll want to buy. Like, you know, if it's a coffee mug, or if it's, you know, some type of cosmetic product, or if it's a health and beauty product, you know, these types of products are the ones that will help you to make $1 million. All right, so I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I come out with videos on a consistent basis. I'm out here in Bali right now. You can see these cows in the background. And you know, subscribe to this channel, and you definitely will get more value in the future. So you guys take care, and I'll see you at the top.